Hello everyone. In this program, we will see the addition of two numbers using the function. So, to add two numbers, first we need two numeric value. So, we will take two numbers from the user. And to take number from the user, we need an input function. We will pass the message, enter first number, and right now I have enclosed the input function within a int function because whatever value comes through the keyboard is considered as a string in a Python. So when we want to perform some arithmetic operation, then we need numeric value. So through int function we will parse or convert the string value into a integer value, and if I want to convert it into a float value, fractional value, then I need to enclose the input in a float function. So now I will take the third variable sum, and just I will add this two number and the addition will be performed. So now I just want to print the value, print the result. So I will use print this function and the statement sum of two number. And we will print sum. So now I want to execute it. So I need to save the changes and I will run it. Now it is asking for the first number 56 and second number 23. Now the result is 79 and it's the right answer. So now again I want to perform same operation on some another number, but there is no way to do it again. So there is a importance of function in a program, because function is the reusable component of a program, and when we define any function in a program, we will call it again and again to perform the same type of task again and again. There is no need to write the statement again and again. So its function is going to save our effort, time and space. Now to declare function in a Python, we need a def. Def is a keyword here. Then I need to give a suitable name to a function. Suppose I have given the name of the function calsum, and it requires some argument or parameter on which it will perform its task. But this argument and parameter are not the mandatory. It is optional. If you require, then you can pass it, and if you don't require, then you do not pass it. And this colon is the indentation. It is going to say interpreter that this line, this code needs some block to execute, and that block may contain one or more statement. So right now I want to add the add this two values. So just I take one variable s and just I add this two value x and y. Now I want to return the result. So I will use return statement. Return statement will return the result to the calling part of the function. So where I want to add the number? Here. So I will call the function calsum here. Now, as calsum require two parameters, so we will pass n1 and n2 as its parameter. Now, I will save the changes. Now I will run the code. Now, it gets successfully executed, and I will enter two value. And 56 plus 98 is 154, and it's the right result. So now again I want to call the function and I want to perform this addition operation on some another values. So I need to call calsum, and I need to pass to value whatever value upon which I want to perform the operation. So I have entered 12 and 45, and it will give us the result 57, and it's the right result. Now again I want to call the function, then I can again call it, because functions are by definition reusable component of a program which can be called again and again, and it is going to save our memory, save our effort. Now again it gives the result. So I think you understand the concept of function, what's the role of function, and how we can declare and use some simple function in a program, and we will demonstrate some more program in next session. Thank you.